Why limiting phone use before bed matters.
Using your phone late at night can disrupt sleep and make it harder to unwind. The blue light from screens interferes with your natural sleep rhythms, making it difficult to fall asleep. Scrolling through social media or reading the news can also make your mind more active when it should be relaxing. Limiting phone use is a simple step toward improving your sleep and overall well-being.
Set a consistent phone-free time.
Establishing a regular cutoff time for phone use can help you build healthy sleep habits. Try turning off your phone or putting it away at least 30 minutes before you plan to sleep. This routine signals to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest, making it easier to fall asleep naturally.
Create a charging station outside the bedroom.
Keep your phone out of arm's reach by charging it outside your bedroom. Setting up a charging station in another room helps remove temptation. Without your phone nearby, you're less likely to mindlessly reach for it when you should be winding down, reducing late-night scrolling and sleep interruptions.
Use bedtime modes and app limits.
Most smartphones offer features like bedtime mode or app limits. Enable these tools to silence notifications and restrict access to distracting apps during your wind-down time. By setting boundaries on app usage, you give yourself permission to disconnect and create a calmer bedtime routine.
Replace screen time with calming activities.
Swap out screen time for activities that help you relax. Consider reading a book, listening to calming music, practicing gentle stretches, or journaling your thoughts at the end of the day. Engaging in these soothing habits can help signal to your body that it's time to rest, promoting deeper and more restful sleep.